Nicholas, are you rearranging my dishwasher? Huh? What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing, buddy? You took the basket out? Hey, you! What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Took all the spoons out. You're making a lot of noise. You say, Mom? Hey, you. Oh. Daddy's trying to burn me. Say, Mom? Nicholas. Nicholas. Say, Mom. Are you excited? Mom. Yeah. Mom. Mom. Oh. Nicholas. Oh. Oh boy. There goes Mommy's house. Oh. Nicholas. Oh. Nicholas. Nicholas. Hey. Hey, Nicholas. You say, you say, Mom? Hey, you. Mom? Mom? Hey. Hey. Nicholas. Say hi, Yaya. Say hi, Grandpa. Hey, you. Say hi. Ah. Mom? Where are you? Hey. Hey, you. Hey. Nicholas. Oh boy. Oh, there goes a spoon. Oh. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You say, Mom? You too busy playing with spoons? Say, Mom. Mom. Mom? No, Mom? No more Mom from me? No more Mom? Mom? I'm too busy playing. Hey. Hey. Whoa. Hey. 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 You're making a mess. Hey, you. Hey. Wow. You say, Mom? Mom? Come on. Say, Mom. All right. We'll get you later when you're not playing with spoons. Yeah?